Wanna take you there. He don't gotta know.
Hey besties, it's your girl Gracie. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, and if you're not, welcome back.
Better recognize when I see you, I really want you. Hit the club for you. Light skin got you new. Even look like long too. I be tripping with this money, yeah. Hit the strip.
So besties, welcome to episode 2 of Your 20s Are For You, babe. If you haven't watched, this is a new series that I'm doing since I turned 20. And today's episode, we're going to be shopping. I'm going to go work out. I'm going to cook me some meals, some new recipes. So stay tuned, enjoy. It is going to be like a visual diary, so I won't be talking too much. Just enjoy, relax, and I'll chit chat with y'all at the end.
Wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you. No one will stop us. Ain't no one will stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. He's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the light heels true. There's another way to look at that. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off, and I'ma love you, girl, who you need. And no one will stop us. Ain't no one will stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, I'm willing to try and make you see that all you need is here in me. I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna go. How you feel? Let me know how you feel. I don't wanna stay. Don't wanna go. But you gotta let me know just how you feel. Yeah, I don't wanna stay. No, no, I don't really wanna go, and I don't want to go. Get it together. Come on, babe, let's get it together. I don't really wanna go. What I really hope and pray is, can we get it together? Come on, boy, get it together. Yeah. See, I'm so confused. I just don't know what to do, and I don't understand. No, you know I don't wanna stay. You know I don't wanna go.
Besties, I hope y'all are enjoying this vlog so far. Or yeah, it's a vlog. It's a your 20s are for you, you know, my little series. But yeah, I know I haven't done enough talking. This is like a visual diaries episode or whatever, so I'm trying to just give y'all music and me doing it. But y'all know I love to talk. Like, I love to talk. I had to come here and talk to y'all. But yeah, I'm actually at the end of my day a little bit after I finish eating and watching my show. Yes, I'm in my car watching my show. I don't care. This is always a date for me. Eat in my car and watch something on YouTube or something, you know. But I gotta go home. I forgot to thaw out my salmon, but I'm gonna cook my salmon tonight because I need to meal prep it for the rest of the week. Because y'all know I'm on my 75 hard and I need food already. And this not, to me, this not fast food. Like, this count as 80-20 because like it's just protein and rice, literally, right? And I think Panda Express is pretty healthy, like, you know. It's not processed foods, right? I hope this real chicken. I hope so. But yeah, like, I can eat stuff like this. So yeah, but I gotta cook me some salmon, so I have some stuff to eat at the house. And my mom made some gumbo, so I got some other like healthy stuff to eat too. So it's not too bad. But that's all we're gonna do. Did our shopping, got all that done. Used all my Christmas gift cards. The food was Christmas gift cards. Shopping was Christmas gift cards. I don't play. But yeah, that's just a little update. I hope y'all are enjoying. We just got meal prepping left, and that's pretty much it on this episode of Your 20s Are For You, babe. Are for you. Not for you to be searching for no man. Not for you to be living out of. Not for you to play a stepmama. For you. Okay, let me stop. But yes, for me.
Baby, please listen to me. I don't wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get I hope.
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creeping with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creeping with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom, banging on the sofa, banging on the tower, banging on the counter, banging on the I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. Why should she believe me when I told her it wasn't me? Banging on the sofa, banging on the tower, banging on the banging on the counter, banging on the bathroom, banging on the 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 banging on the. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
DJ Lumpy, DJ Lumpy.
That never gotta sweet that. You could bet that never gotta sweet that.
The cash, I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Keep down, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the one, yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I put your pretty little hand in. Even when we're down to the wire, babe. Even when it's you a war day, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. It's a love, it's a short
Bet that never gotta sweet that. Bet that never gotta sweet that. Bet that never gotta sweet that. Bet that never gotta sweet that.
Be the fire, baby. The color blunt. Be the lighter, baby. Fire it up, lighter, baby. Be the cool. From the lyric, baby. Be the new. Pour it down, sing. I'm a sinner. Eyes, I'm a winner. And it's you. What did I do to serve that paper, baby? I paid a pen. Say I am the one, cause you weren't. Rolling up the day, even when the sky can't fall. Even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I with your pretty little hand. Even when I'm down to the wire, even when it do or die.
Bet that
You do it, baby, simple and plain.
bet that never gotta sweet that.
Okay, besties, this is the end of episode 2 of Your 20s Are For You, babe. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. I think this was a great episode. The potatoes that I made from scratch were so good. Like, I haven't cooked in a long time, so I was kind of nervous. And I never made mashed potatoes from scratch before. But that was real good, y'all. That was real good. So, I was really proud of myself for that meal. Did some shopping today and all those good things. So it was a good episode, real chill. I still have a lot of more things on my to-do list. I'm gonna be pulling something out of my jar. Did I show y'all my jar? Y'all have to follow my new Instagram so y'all can see how I made this. But it's solo dates, affirmation, and verses in here. And I think I'm gonna pull out a solo date in the next episode. So stay tuned for that and follow me on Instagram so y'all can know some of what's in here and how I made it. But thank y'all for watching, besties. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye, besties.